morning, guys. Happy Sunday. It is the next day. So didn't get as much done yesterday as I wanted to, but it was Saturday. Needed a bit of a rest day, and that's totally fine. I started to sit down and edit a YouTube video, and I was just getting really frustrated with it. So I took a break to watch some movies, and that's just what I ended up doing for the rest of the day. And that's totally fine. So today I've sat down and written a new to-do list, so carried over some of the things that I didn't get done yesterday. I did check off quite a few things yesterday, but there's still just, some other things that I want to get done. So now I have about 20 things on my to-do list. I definitely don't plan on accomplishing every single thing, but it's just a bit of a brain dump to get everything that's in my head down on paper so I know these are the things that I need to get done in the next few days. And then some of the things on the list are like really, really simple, quick, like I'll do it in 5 seconds. But it's just really satisfying to like cross it off and have it off of my to-do list. So that's why I put them on there. So I'll get through most of those things today, as well as doing a lot of those reset activities that, this video is about. So we'll get into those activities today. So it is just about 9 o'clock in the morning and I haven't had breakfast yet. So I'm going to sit down, have some breakfast. I don't have much in the way of groceries, so I definitely need to go to the shops and do that today. I'm thinking about filming a grocery shop / meal prep just to show you a little bit of what I do. It won't be a full meal prep, I think, but there's a few things that I want to like make ahead so that they're ready for the week. I've had my shower. I didn't really do much to my hair. I just kind of wet it so that it's not crazy with my curls, and a little bit of makeup on. I'm trying to make an effort to not put on like foundation or stuff on my skin when I'm filming because like the temptation is real, but that's just not what I look like. This is what I look like. And I really hate wearing makeup because it clogs my skin. So this is what we're going with today. Okay, so I'm gonna go have some breakfast. Might have a bagel, or I've also got cottage cheese with blueberries, so I might have that. We'll see what I'm feeling. And then I'm gonna jump into doing today's activities. Okay, so I've done a bit of ordering on my laptop. There's just a few things that I use on a daily basis that I needed to at least stock up on. So I've done that now, and I've done a few of the little small tasks on my list, like doing the dishes in the sink. Now I'm going to change the sheets on my bed and clean my kombucha bottle so that I can make my kombucha later today. And then I will get into my closet. I've got quite a few clothes that just don't fit me. Like I'll buy dresses online and find out that they're just way too short for me because I don't look at the size of the model and think that it will fit on my 5'10" frame, and it just doesn't work. So I end up with like a whole bunch of dresses that just don't fit me. Not a whole bunch, but I have a few dresses that don't fit me that I don't wear. So I'm just gonna try and donate them or sell them online and try and find some new clothes that actually fit my body, that are flattering on me, that I will actually wear. I've got a few like nice events coming up that I'm going to be going to, so I need to find some new things to wear. I've also put on a little bit of weight, so some of the clothes and like shorts and things that used to fit me don't really fit me anymore. And then just, I have a few things that are just a bit worn out and I need to get rid of. So I'm going to be going through my closet, seeing what I have that still fits, still looks good on me, is still in good condition, and then keep those, get rid of anything that I don't want, don't need, or is just gross now, and then I will look at buying some new clothes online. I have gone into a few shops here in town to look at some different things, and I just really haven't found much that I like. So I've kind of started a cart online, and I will just sort through that and figure out what I actually need. I don't want to just be buying things because I wish that it looks good on me, but I'm gonna actually focus on things that I know will look good on me, know that will fit me properly, and know that I will actually wear. Okay, so this is the pile of clothes that I ended up with, that they're not necessarily all going to get thrown out or go, you know, up for sale or donated or whatever. I have to go through them first and figure out what actually fits me, what doesn't, what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep. And then I'll divide it into stuff that just needs to go straight into the trash, stuff that can be donated, and stuff that I think I could maybe actually sell. So I'm going to try on all of these and see what I want to keep. Okay, so I got through everything. There was some stuff that was just like really gross, like old underwear and bras that are like stained or ripped or just whatever. So those got thrown out. I have a pile. This is like good quality. Some of it still fits, but I just don't like the way that it looks on me, or some of it just doesn't fit. So those are the things I'm going to try and sell. And then anything that I don't sell, I will just donate. And then I've also got a bag of rags. So those ended up being like dresses that don't fit, that are just kind of gross now, that I don't think anybody would want to buy, or like would donate. So those are in there. So now what I'm going to do is make a list. Not really make a list. I'm going to look at my closet and see where the gaps are. So I realized that I don't really have many shorts that fit me and that I feel comfortable in. So I often wear, I've got 2 pairs of the same high-waisted shorts, but they're still like short on me. I want some longer ones. So I'm gonna look at buying a few more of those. I also need a few different dresses. So all of my dresses are pretty short, and sometimes I just don't feel comfortable going out in short dresses. So I'm kind of to the point now in my life where I just want longer things. I want flowy things that I can be comfortable in. I'm pretty good for tops. I do have some more like winter clothes stored away, which I was going to do today, but I think I might just leave that for another day, just because I'm a bit tired, a bit over it. I do know that I am not comfortable in a lot of the winter clothes that I have, so I might just pick up a few more like long sleeve shirts. Obviously, living in Queensland, I don't really need long sleeve shirts, but anytime I go visit my family in Canada or go to Melbourne to visit my boyfriend's family, I want to have some warmer clothes options. So I'm going to look into that as well. And then, I don't remember if I mentioned, but dresses. I've got a few formal events coming up that I want to look at a few new dresses for. And again, just like some longer ones, because all the ones I have are short and just inappropriate for a lot of those types of events. Okay, so it is just after 12 o'clock. I have checked off 11 things off of my list. I've just put those clothes away that you saw there on the bed, and I'm gonna go have some lunch and then go to the grocery store and get some groceries, do some meal prep, make my kombucha, and maybe rest for a little bit.